Hi guys, welcome to my first video. So for today's video, I am going to be making a tea video. So unfortunately, I am feeling a little bit under the weather, and while I was at home, I decided to go on Pinterest to see if I can make myself a tea, and I discovered this Bougainvillea tea. And what really boggles my mind is that this flower, if you live in Southern Orange County like myself, is everywhere. I never thought of it other than just a flower. So lucky for me, I actually have this plant growing right outside of my patio. If you want to know how to make this tea, just keep on watching. So the first thing you want to do is pluck the flowers off the stem. So you don't want any of the stems in your tea when you begin to boil it. Get about a cup of the flower petals and go ahead and rinse them out. And what I did, I rinsed mine a couple of times, 2 to 3 times. At one point I did see a little critter in mine, so I just wanted to make sure that they were completely clean, because the last thing you want is to see a little critter floating around in your tea. The ratio here is 2 cups of water per 1 cup of flower petals. So go ahead and put your water into your tea kettle and begin to boil. And while your water begins to boil, go ahead and add a cinnamon stick into it so that it can infuse the water while you're doing that. Unfortunately, I did lose that clip, so you won't get to see me doing that, but go ahead and add it at this point. And when your water begins to boil, go ahead and add your flower petals in. And as soon as you drop in your flower petals, you are going to see that the water is going to turn into this beautiful fuchsia color. Go ahead and turn off your water, let it steep for 2 to 3 minutes. And while your flowers are steeping, go ahead and grab some honey. And the best thing for you to do is to get some local honey. This particular honey is from my local farmer's market. And you also want to get a couple pieces of lime for flavoring. Strain your water into a mug so that you don't have any of the flower petals inside your actual tea when you start to drink it. And that is it, guys. It's so simple. If you're wondering how this tea tasted, I can't really explain it. I guess I could just say it tastes like any other tea, maybe something close to chamomile. It didn't really have any crazy taste to it. I tasted the honey in it a lot and lime. It's not a tea that you have to get used to. Guys, sometimes the best medicine is to just step outside and get some fresh air. So while I was outside, a couple of friends showed up. I have these couple of hummingbirds that always come by. I do have a little hummingbird feeder, so I always get a couple of them flying around. And I'm sorry if you're watching this, probably means that you are not feeling so well like myself. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe. I will be bringing more videos. I think this is really fun. This is going to be a new project for me. Might have my sister helping me out too, and we have a lot of cool ideas on DIYs and just fun little projects, just something to have a little creative outlet for myself. And I hope you really enjoyed it. Please subscribe And remember to always stay hydrated, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you.